he die again? Did we just one-tap him? Yeah, he just died again. So this guy's gonna go around the... We'd be good. And then there should be no more... Oh, he's got one more death refusal. How about this guy? Fucking blasted him in the skull. We really don't care about this fire. Please don't just send everybody over here. You need to put on your goddamn shield belt. Where did that go? You hit the masterwork one. Show might be a rude awakening when he comes out of there. You're back alright, alright? And then you, sir. What? Are we full of bodies again? Oh, whoops. Just got back from Vegas. Oh, poor, it didn't do so well. And we'll get all our snipers around the other side. However, you, sir, we're gonna turn off fire at will, because we don't... Wait, where's your... You guys are pretty damaged, so I might... Who's this guy? 2 hours. Night Owl, body modder, construction, and mining. And those guys are going over that way. Okay, so let's send our Kylian, Shoat down here. Caught can come grab. I want to hit Ivan. You stay. You fire against Noodles. And then you can't really do much here. You fire. You got one hand. Oh no, he's dead. And he's dead. I was hoping fire would be useful, but I think it's actually hurts us more, especially with the 2 vamps. So probably won't use the incendiary again. Chimera, Shambler John, not Shambler John. Alright, Lou. No, let's not haul him here. Haul him over there. And we can bury him. Jump behind you. Slowly coming. And then we can back up here. Ooh. Go, 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 go. And then... Oh, no, never mind. He's... Ooh, fast walker. I think everyone else is dead, right? Wait. Put you guys here. Boar. Oh, we sniped the guy. Oh shit. Start putting out the fire. You guys can't really do much else. Yeah. And you can lean a little bit off them. Ori, you can come over here as well. Oh, okay, they're gonna go for the security door. What's wrong with this one? Escape. Now we could res Chop. We do have another res. He is our cleaner. And they're a medic. He lost his right hand. Do I really care about him? He's gonna use self-dis. Does he have revival? He does. He's almost dead. These guys are going around. Cows is going after him. You can try to get down here. AG up front. Have your shield. Okay, I think we're gonna make a separate one for close combat people. Okay, everyone else has guns here. No, there's some close combat. It's a good way to wipe. Then to Oliver. And then to you. That's mainly, we could use, yeah, we'll do that because it'll level up his shit. But happy music kicks in, like, is it for happy? You guys need to do the long shots. Oh shit. 1 hour? They're really close. You definitely do work. And oh yeah, we gotta set that to chop. There we go. Fuck, should I resin? Let's put you over here. Oh, is this all the close combat? Oh, this is awesome. Let's consume you. Don't consume the pig. Oh, she doesn't have enough energy. Whoa, 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 whoa. You have enough to finish that. Get your ass back here. You get ready to beat the shit out of this guy. How come we can't hit these guys? Oh, and he just died? Oh, that's right. We caught him with like a split second left. Ooh, Kylie and... Lorries, just temporarily cut their, so, yeah, we'll cut their, and then where is Ivan? It's neat. I'd like to go back sometime. Yeah, dang, this big hall. Yeah, we're getting up there. Sniper as well. Set up here, and we've got 3 hours on the wall. Let's actually move. I think we can kill it. Hijinks, what's Hijinks doing? You guys heal up. We need more ghouls. get this. Forgot self-destruct. Alright, and you come here. You come here. Make sure these. And then Lori. Position. Let's do you stop here. Lori, Div. Put you here. And you guys all came up. Is that all we brought? Is that all we have? Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Shambler's easy. Alright, Kylian. You've already healed up. Artie is tend to Kylian. Backside. Artie, you can self-tend. Tend to Artie. Cows, keep going after you. He's dead. Let's put you on him. So he stops shooting. Ooh. Let's move that. Wait, I don't think the fire went off. We might actually be okay. If I want to do that, Prissy is getting. We back up. Yeah, it's everybody with close combat now. So we'll get everybody to run down here. So self-resurrect, that's fine. And then gear, we'll drop that since it's useless for you. It does such a good job at cleaning. You can jump over the fire because you'll get scared. Just keep running. And then where's Ivan? Alright, he's coming. Incapacitated, nice. We get to keep him. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And we'll hold that open. And go for you, go for you. Who's still shooting? Oh, what? Where did this guy come from? Put div. Actually, let's move cows right next to this guy. And you can just go town him. Already just got smoked. Ooh, that was close. Wait, why is he still firing it? Oh, how? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, who's got the... I thought... Yeah, you guys stop firing your fire. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. Oh, some of the guys here. We need to definitely make these into... That's pretty crazy. How's it going, final? Damn, hand cannon's got some range. Bring you guys up front. Get you. Ooh, that's not what you want to do. Oh, he went down. Oh, he's back up. The old switcheroo. Get at it. Oh, he's back down. Your ass over here. We'll come back over here and grab that. I don't know if snipers are that great. They're good for very specific things, but I'm gonna start. Man, get our 2 snipers. And okay, let's go here, get everybody out. Oil. And then you. No, he died. And then you guys killed him too. They got stunned. Lori, let's get her out of here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. go. You go. Everyone who's injured. Oh wait, I think you're still coagulating him, aren't you? Yeah. With so much blood, might as well use it. Do we have a Insanity Lance? We do. Who's down? Nice shot, Div. Alright, these guys are very injured. Through the heart. I need longer range weapons. Okay, let's get you. Ooh, that's a. You just fired at a. Uh-oh. Vampire. Get you out of here. Put you in behind. Oh, can I not see? Here. Artie, you should probably eat some food. Thank you. And then once everyone got their food, let's bring you up front. Cows. Chop died. Did he get shot in the head? Probably. Ooh. Let's get the guys with shields up front. Ooh, I don't know if... Of course. Yeah, let's do it. Jump packs. Who was researching? I think these guys are all loyal. Death refusal. Yeah, he's just gonna die. And you're just gonna die. Yeah. No tough trait. Nope. Alright, you can rescue him. And cows. Come over here. Lori. Teleport cows. Oops. There you go, and you. And we're gonna put fresh. Or no, sorry. Rotten. Okay, we're not as strong as I thought we were. It was definitely worrisome. Pardon me. How's it going, DK? Where's Ivan? Let's coagulate his body. You and then you. Lori's got the wall, right? We block. This game fucking snipes. Oh. We'll consider it. We're running out of fingers for div. Grumpy is using sulfur. Okay. We could do a let's lob a couple. We're not in the greatest defensive front. Ooh. Oh shit, they're already here? Whoa. Someone just got shot almost. Using sulfur. Okay, no, you guys start firing at these guys. You start firing at this guy. He's gonna self-resurrect. Equip the gun so he can't take it. Ivan is fleeing. Oh, there is a fire. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Did I turn him on and off? Yeah. Fire's dangerous. Div, you can put the fire out here. Very good. And then you're getting close, but we can always res you. Okay, you guys should be good now. So you can leave, except for you. Alright, anyone here that's good. We will use herbal on him. Probably should use herbal on everybody. Oops. And then that's gonna be a huge ass fucking fire now. There we go. Oh. Wait, 3 more? Oh, the fire burns out this one, so they will come back. That's good to know. So I have actually a better spot too.